Check out this adorable Christmas tree. It's a 22-inch tabletop Christmas tree, and I already just put the lights on. It has 35 lights, and it also comes with the star tree topper and also these 24 mini ornaments. How cute is this? So it also has this red stand, and it also is gonna light up. Let me show you how pretty it is. Ta-da! So isn't that cute? It has a nice warm glow. And here are the ornaments. So let's put the star on top. Very nice. And now let's put some ornaments on. How adorable. It comes in the box, and all you have to do is spread out all the branches. And what a nice pine tree this is. I love it. It looks so cute and adorable. And let me put this on right here. This would be great for your living room or a kid's room, or if you have a gift that you want to give to somebody like a teacher or a coworker. This would also be great to have at your desk, at your office. And this would also be great at doctor's offices, as well as nursery schools too. And these are just so easy to decorate. I just love all the different colors they've provided as well. Really brings you into the festive time of year. Put some over here. And if you want, you can decorate it all the way around, or you can put it just in the front if you know it's going to be towards a wall or a window. And this is just coming along so nicely. Love it. Let me get all these out. And I like that the branches, they're adjustable, so you can curve them up, and very easy to do. I absolutely love it. Just a few more to go. And let's put this one right here. And last one, where are you gonna go? How about right here? I'm finished. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. So cute and so festive. I was sent this from Prex Tex, and I absolutely love it. And I can't wait to use this time and time again. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.